Hi, it's me Vamp, and today I'm actually going to show you guys how to use AirDrop pretty quickly and easily. In case you guys don't know, AirDrop is actually a feature which lets you drop files, share files, link, whatever from Apple devices to Apple devices. You can share it via MacBook, iPhone, iPad. This time around, we're going to go from iPhone to iPad, then iPad to iPhone. So basically, in this case, I'm going to be sharing a photo, but you can share links to different apps and anything you could share, you can share here, even a YouTube video. So I'm going to click photos. There's me. That's what I look like. Now we are going to hit share. And then AirDrop is already up there for me, but if it's not there for you, click more. And then it will suggest a few. We will pick AirDrop. Now to make sure the device is available, whatever devices are in range are going to be available. But keep in mind, some people have that set to contact only, which I will show you what I mean toward the end of this video. So I would hit the sending, and then I sent it automatically. And then let me show you how to receive them. Okay, receiving it also very easily. Let's go back to the home screen, and then what happens is you simply click on share on the other device, hit AirDrop, and then I'll do my iPhone. Usually it asks if you want to accept it, but since I'm sharing it to myself, it's foregoing that. Now, there's two major things that you'll have to do to make sure that that's going. Yeah, so you guys can see I'm recording this using an iPhone screen thing. If you want me to show you that in the future, let me know. A lot of videos are going to be recorded like that. Okay, so you're going to make sure Bluetooth is on. Very important. Also make sure Wi-Fi is on. And then long press this, AirDrop. Make sure AirDrop is on. You can set it to contact only, you can set it to everyone. I recommend it's by default on contact only. I recommend keeping it on contact only because of the fact that if people with iPhone know that you have the thing, then they will send your stuff willy-nilly. So yeah, that was a quick tutorial. Hopefully you understood. If you didn't understand, just let me know. I'll try my best to explain. But with that said, I'll catch you guys in a future video. Hopefully you guys found this video to be helpful in some way, shape, or form. Later.